So now let's move on to values continuum. So what is the values continuum? From the word values, it is our behavior or the way we act. And a continuum is a continuous line. So values continuum, it represents a range or spectrum of values, beliefs or opinions that people hold, and these values are plotted along a continuum, a continuous line with two extremes. So kaning values continuum, no, it is a teaching strategy or a method that help individuals or group to express, clarify their own emotions, feelings, and opinion on a particular issue. So kani siya, it typically represents your stand about a certain issue. Like for example, kanang naisa ka topic nga kanang mamili ra ka whether you agree or disagree. So if agree ka, imong ilagay mo sarili sa agree. And then if you disagree, dito po ka sa disagree. So it is a teaching method that helps students reflect on their values and beliefs. So it encourages students to physically position themselves on a continuum to represent their stance on a topic. Okay. It helps clarify where individuals stand on a certain issues, and it encourages discussion and reflection. Like for example is, which do you prefer, a vacation in the mountain or a vacation to the beach? So, if papiligon ko, I prefer a vacation in the mountain because I find it peaceful. So, other people would choose beach kasi mas peaceful po sa ilaha ang sounds of the wave. So, ako mulinya jud ko diri as a vacation in the mountain. So, those who disagree, kay mulinya dito sa vacation to the beach. Another example is kanina statement. Former President Rodrigo Duterte is the best president that we ever had. So, I agree on this statement. So, some people might disagree because of the recent issue now nga about sa katong war on drugs and about the killings of people. So, kay agree mo ko, so malinya ko dili sa agree, and then the disagree, maglinya po sila sa disagree. So, unsa kay importance aning values continuum, no? Ang kanyang values continuum naman good is that it creates a discussion on a particular issue. So, sa values continuum, mas masaktan nato kung unsa man ang perspective sa isig katao. Like ako, kanang i-explain na kung ganong agree ko nga si President Duterte ang best president that we ever had. And then, katong mo disagree, i-explain po nila kung unsa ilang stance on the topic. I-explain nila ganong disagree sila, ganong para sa ilaha is dili jud si President Duterte ang best president. So sa inana maka-create siya discussion, mas makasabot ko why he or she disagree, and mas makasabot siya why I agree on this topic or on this statement. So mo na siya ang values